Quality management in the next few years, I think, is all going to become digital.
Construction is changing. Quality management has to change with it.
I think it's made the whole system much smoother, much slicker, and much more transparent.
It doesn't matter what happens to me, Getjar cannot lose that information. That is the biggest benefit to Visibuild.
Traditionally, Getjar have always been a subcontractor. There's several systems that we would normally go on to use, and at some point they just then get switched off. At that point we have no access to that, we're not, with no availability, we can't go back in, can't get our own records back in. And you either do one massive download and you do one big dump right at the end of the project where you try and get all that information, or you just lose it all. Within the special projects business, more and more of the projects that we're going to do, we'll go in as enabling contractors direct for the client. So we then need our own system and be able to do that in our own way. It is the way forward. It's the best way to store it. It's the best way to track it. It's the best way to be able to monitor it. And I think Visibuild is able to tick all the boxes.
Visibuild actually support us actively throughout the project, so we're able to customise our forms to be exactly what we want per site.
What we've done also is added the post-pour as discussed, so it's all in one continuous workflow for anyone to see.
We've added a lot of other forms outside of college. We've got our hot works permits on there. We've also got our temporary works on there as well, so we're able to keep track of a lot of our tasks. We've also got site progress photos, so there's no more use of WhatsApp with photos getting lost. It's just all within one system.
It doesn't seem as cumbersome and complex as the likes of Aconex, and it just seemed to suit the way that we wanted to operate and have our own systems, but it did everything that we wanted to do from a QA point of view. And then when we started talking with the Visibuild team, they then said that they were open to be able to develop other things that we wanted within Visibuild that we can then make digital, that the bigger systems like Aconex just wouldn't have that. They wouldn't have that flexibility, they wouldn't allow us to do that.
The hot works permits is one of the key things that we're using on a daily basis, and all the site managers are using it. The fire watchers are able to get that data straight to them, go inspect the area. So it's more of a seamless system rather than signing a piece of paper, having a man come up to the office and then you've got to wait for them to come down. They can see the information there and there, sign it off and it's done. We're able to track a lot of our subcontractors' works at the same time. This helps us actually have less staff. We're able to have eyes on several areas in one system, and we're able to just keep an eye on everyone quite seamlessly.
I think it's made the whole system much smoother, much slicker, and much more transparent. Being able to just log onto the app, have a look, see how many tasks are being done, see what tasks are being done, and also having that traceability. Most of all is to be able to look at that data that we have and to know that it's ours, and to be able to see it, and you can just go back to it at any point in time and you can check back, and there's never a point where that data is going to be lost or you can't find it, or you get to the end of a project and you're trying to do O&M manuals or you're trying to hand the projects over and that data is not available.
If it's on Visibuild, it doesn't matter what happens to me, Getjar cannot lose that information. That is the biggest benefit to Visibuild. It
is a QA system, but it's a QA system with all the add-ons and benefits that we didn't even know about when we first started to use it. It's been developed by the Visibuild team in conjunction with ourselves, and it's kind of made it into a platform that's really, really useful.
Literally everything that we wanted has been solved, and yeah, we're flying.